Thank you for your warm welcoming here.
네, 이렇게 물도 이렇게 싱가포르 팬분이 주신
And this is the mineral water that I got from a fan here.
네, 싱가포르 왔을 때부터 이렇게 너무 많이 챙겨주셔서
And since the Singaporean fan have taken care of us so well.
너무 감사하게 생각하고 오늘 즐겁게 즐기다 가셨으면 좋겠습니다.
I'm so grateful and thankful to everyone and hope you guys could enjoy the show tonight.
네, 롱타임 노씨. 오랜만에 저도 보고 싶었고.
I really missed you so much.
다들 건강하죠?
How are you doing? Are you all healthy? Keeping healthy, yeah?
Bless you, bless you. God bless you.
Thank you, thank you. 네, 앞으로도 자주 이렇게 봤으면 좋겠어요.
Hope I could come back more often to see you guys more.
네, 안녕하세요, 준영입니다. 오랜만이고 오늘 재밌게 놀다가요, 알았죠?
It's been a while and let's have fun tonight together, yeah?
네, 안녕하세요, 기동입니다. 안녕하세요. 네, 이렇게 오랜만에 만나 뵙게 돼서 너무 기분이 좋고요.
It's been really a long time and I'm really happy to be back here.
끝까지 재밌는 시간 가졌으면 좋겠습니다.
Let's have fun until the end of the show tonight.
땡큐! 안녕하세요, 요섭이요. 정말 오랜만에 만나는 것 같네요, 우리.
I think it's been a really long time that we've got to see you here.
그동안 못 본 만큼 오늘 즐거운 시간 보냈으면 좋겠습니다.
Since we have not met for so long time, let's have fun tonight really much.
땡큐!
네, 안녕하세요, 현수입니다. 반갑습니다.
Nice to meet you.
싱가포르에 약 3년 만에 굉장히 오랜만에 찾아뵙는데 여전히 사랑해주시고 오늘 찾아와 주신 분들 너무 감사드리고요.
Thank you for your presence here tonight, and it's been 3 years that I'm back to Singapore.
예, 오늘 여러분들과 함께 좋은 시간 가졌으면 좋겠습니다.
I really hope to have a good time with you all tonight.
Right, thank you very much. 3 long years we have all been waiting for. Are we going to have a seat? Are we going to have a